So at the first point, we have seen about how to define the Java class. Okay. So the structure of your Java class we have seen. Then we have seen what are the different type of keywords which are present while declaring or defining the structure of your class. Okay. So for that, we need to require a class keyword. Okay. So this class keyword should be in small case letter, right? And then to define the class, you need to write the name of your class. Okay. So for that, what we require the name of your class. That is nothing but your identifier in Java. Whatever the name you have written, the name may be your class name, your method name, your function name, your variable, interface, array, or many more. Okay. So the name which is given to the particular thing, that is nothing but the identifier. That is the identification of the particular entity. Okay. So here, so whenever you want to define any class, so at the time the class keyword should be in small case letter. Okay. Then we have seen the example of the class. Okay. So here class is the keyword we require to define your class, then followed by the name of your class. Okay. So my class. Then the scope of your class should be in between opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket. Okay. So within that we can define the n number of statements. Okay. So here we can define the variables and we can define the methods. We can call the other methods to in your class. You can define the main method. You can create the objects and many more things you can perform under this class. Okay. So the structure of your class in between this opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket. Okay. So I have already told about the Java is purely case sensitive language. Okay. So it is a very case sensitive language. So whenever you are writing the class as a C as a capital case and the class is in a small case letter, at that time it will be make a differentiate between them. Okay. So there is a difference between the capital C and small c. Okay. So therefore, you have to remember while declaring the any type of class. So at that time, class keyword should be in small case letter. Okay. And the definition of class will be start from the opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket. Okay. So this is one of the example class string. So here we have given the name of the class as a string, opening curly bracket. Okay. Similar way, here also we have given the class name. Okay. So this is the general syntax of your definition of your class, how to define the structure of your class. Okay. So class name, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Then we can define the global variables. Okay. So whatever the variables has been defined under the class, that is nothing but your global variable. And those variable which are defined under the method, that is nothing but the local variable. Okay. The scope of this local variable is limited only within the particular method only. Okay. So for example, we want to define the integer b as a one of the variable. So at that time, it can be accessible only this main method. Okay. When we want to access this b outside this class, outside this main method, then it is not possible to access it. Okay. So therefore, you need to be specify the what is the level of your variable, either it is global level or the local variable, local level. Okay. So according to that, we need to set the accessibility of the variable. Sometimes you need to make the your data as a private confidential data. Okay. Sometimes you need to make your data as a public. So then you can define as a public. Okay. Sometimes you want to make a protected, okay? Sometimes you want to make the particular data as a final, as a constant, you don't want to change. So in this manner, we can define the different type of variables as well as the methods. Okay. So just briefly revise it, what we have done in the last session. Okay. So first you need to, for writing your Java application, right? Java application to require any editor. Okay. Editor. So the editor may be your notepad. Okay. You can use Word, you can use Eclipse. These are the IDs. Okay, Eclipse, NetBeans. So many things are there. Okay, so you can use any one of the editor to write your program. Okay, so just I will say. Okay, so you can use any one of the editor. Then you need to your file, save your file as an extension .java. Okay. So like this file name .java. Okay. Then for compilation, you need to write the specific command. Okay. So here you can say this is your terminal. Okay. Maybe it is a terminal or your command prompt. The different operating system at the time, that is terminal. And if you are using the Windows operating system, that is your command prompt. Okay. On this terminal, you need to write the command for the compilation of your program. Okay. So Java C, then file name .java. Okay. Java C file name .java. If in your program, if any kind of error has been there, that error can be checked by this compiler. Okay. And that can be shown with the line number. Okay. So what kind of error is present? Okay. And once it has been successfully compiled, the compiler will be try to convert your file into the bytecode. Okay. To try to convert the your file into the bytecode file. Okay. So the extension of this bytecode file is .class. Okay. The extension of your bytecode file is .class. Okay. And here the name of your name of class. Okay. So such type of one class file will be generated after successful compilation of your program. Okay. Once you have converted this bytecode file can be executed on any machine. Okay, so what are the different type of features of Java that we will see in the upcoming lectures. But for this instant, just understand. So when you are trying to compile your program, so at the time after the successful compilation, it will try to create the one new file, and then extension of that new file is .class. Okay, and this .class file name is your class name. Okay, and that .class file is called as a bytecode file. Okay, so this bytecode file will be tried to use in the next for the execution purpose. Okay, so for the execution, for the execution or for running your Java application, you need to write the command as a Java here Java and the main class name. Okay, Java main class. That's it. Okay, and then press enter. So whatever your program is there, that can be executed one by one, and it will be start from the execution from the main method, and it will be executed. Okay. So for compilation, you need to remember always these things. These two commands are very important. First one is the Javac is the compiler. It will be check the is there any syntactical error are present in your program, in your source code. Okay. So if that error are there, that error can be shown on you on this terminal. Okay. If your program is error free, that program will be tried to convert it into the bytecode file, and it will create the one new file. The extension of that new file is a dot class. Okay. And by default, if in your file, if more than two classes are there, then it will create the that number of bytecode files. Okay. And for execution purpose, you need to use the specific class. Okay. So in which class there is a main method is present, that class can be used for the execution purpose. Okay. That's the important thing you have to remember. In which class there might be possibility that you can write the n number of classes within the same file. Okay. Then you need to decide one of the class as a main class. Okay. In which you need to define the main method, that is nothing but your main class, and that main class name should be right here. Then and then the execution will be possible. Okay. Understood? समझता है ना? Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I will demonstrate you. So you required the any type of editor, right? So you, for basic level, we are always try to prefer you. You use the notepad. Okay. When you want to develop the advanced level of application, and you are well aware about the complete Java, then you go for the Eclipse and NetBeans. Okay. So for the initial stage, you need to the notepad. Okay. Why notepad? Because you need to remember everything. Okay. So whenever you are trying to write the things into the notepad, then you have to memorize that things. Okay. So it will be mug up in a proper manner. Okay. So therefore, I will suggest you just open the notepad. Okay. So we are all the notepad plus plus. Okay. So you can use the notepad, notepad plus plus, or some of the other editors are present. Okay. So here expression of welcome. Okay. Here we need to write the class. Okay. Right. So by default, we need to use the class keyword in small case letter, then followed by the name of the class. So here in this case, we are trying to write the class name as a welcome. Then the proof of class will be opening curly bracket, and it will be end with the ending curly bracket. Okay. So in this way, we have defined your class. Now save this program. So the by default, the file name and class name should be same. Okay. So you have to remember, it is possible that you can write the class name is different one and the file name is different one, but it may be make the confusion to you. Okay. So for that, you need to write the class name and your file name should be same. Okay. Then write the extension as a welcome.java and save it. Okay. Then you need to write the main method static. Tell me public. After that, public static.
Void main.
Very good. Void in main. Okay. And into the bracket, what?
String.
Okay. The string, the first letter of string yes is always capital. Okay. So string, so this is the variable of the string class, right? So the scope of main method is in between this. Then you need to print the data or print the certain information on the console at the time. By default, we are using the system package. So system dot out is the class and println is the method. Okay. So just try to remember that the yes is always capital in string as well as in system. Okay. तुमच्या स्ट्रिंग मध्ये आणि सिस्टीमचा यस हा नेहमी कॅपिटलच असतो. ठीक आहे. And every statement in Java will be ended with the semicolon. Okay. Then within the method in the curly in the bracket, you need to write the whatever the information you want to display on the console that can be write into the double quotation. Okay. So here I will write the message to the user, welcome to Java family. Okay. So this message you want to display on the console. System.out.println welcome to the Java program. Okay. Now you need to execute this program. Okay. So before that, you should be install the JDK in your desktop or in your laptop. Okay. Then go to the command prompt here. So there are different ways to open the command prompt. So you can just click here, search the box, into the search box, and then type the CMD, or you can go to the accessories. Within the accessories, you will get the command prompt. Okay. So here there is a shortcut key. You can directly go to the particular folder. Okay. So how to do that one? You just go to the your particular directory, in which directory you have saved your source code or your file. Okay. So here in this case, we have stored our program into the E drive Siddharth in teaching one semester OUC. Okay. So here we have saved our program. Okay. So this one is see welcome.java. Okay. So this program we have saved here. So you need to go to this particular directory. So just click on the address bar and write the CMD. Okay. So the automatically you will come to this point. If you are normally executed the CMD, the by default, it will be users this. So by default, it will be like this: C colon users, and here the name of the user. Okay, in which user you have login. So by default, it will be come like this. Now you want to reach out on this particular location. Okay, so you need to write the particular command to reach out on this location. You can write the cd change directory, then the location of your directory. So E colon dash, you can write the Siddharth Okay, this is the we can write likewise also E colon, then press enter. So by default it will be appear here, but it will be like this. Per case it will be like this. So it will be like this. So after you press E colon enter, it will be appear like this. Then you need to go for the Siddharth directory or folder. So change the directory CD Siddharth. Okay. And again, you need to go for the this next folder CD. And in the teaching folder, there is another subfolder is present. So E1 semester. So you need to write like this E1. Then again, there is a one another folder. There is OEC. So write E and OEC. Okay, likewise. So now you can observe here your programs are present here. Okay, so now you want to first compile your program. For compilation purpose, you need to follow the steps. Okay, for your compilation, you need to write the javac space file name dot java. Okay, so in our case, our file name is welcome dot java. Okay, so how we can write this command? Can anybody tell me? So for compilation purpose, you need to write this command javac space file name dot java. And in our case, we have stored the file as a file name as a welcome dot java. Okay. So how to compile it? कोण सांगू शकेल?
Javac welcome.java.
Javac, very good. Javac welcome dot java. Okay. So now you need to press the enter key. Okay. So press the enter key. So if error is there, that error can be shown here. Okay. So I will just forcefully create the one error into the your program. Okay. You will just recompile your program again. Javac welcome.java. Okay. So now it can be shown one error. Semicolon expected. Okay. So here we need to write the semicolon at the end of your statement. Okay, so write this. So recompile it. So the by default it will be created the class file. Okay, so that class file is nothing but your bytecode file. Okay, so this file has been generated. You can observe the time 9.928. Here also 928. Okay, so in this manner we can create the file. Here also you can check. So this class file has been generated. Okay, so now you want to execute this program. Okay, so for execution purpose, which command we need to use? The Java and the main class name. Okay, so what do you mean by main class name? The class in which you have defined the main method. Okay, so in our case, we have only one class in our file. Therefore, this is a by default the main class, and within that class we have defined the main method. That's why it is by default a main class. Okay. Now here how to execute this program? We have successfully compiled it. सांगा Java space main class name. आपल्याला कसं करावं लागेल कमांड? सांगा.
Java welcome
हा
welcome.class.
welcome dot class not is there. Okay. फक्त तुम्हाला क्लासचं नाव द्यायचं, त्याचं एक्सटेन्शन द्यायचं नाही. ठीक आहे, without extension, only the class name. Okay, here there is no need to require the dot class file. So Java space welcome and then press enter. Okay, so you can see welcome to Java programming. Understood how to execute it? समजलं का सर्वांना प्रोग्राम
Yes,
कसा
sir.
लिहायचा आणि कसा करायचा? Okay. So we will try to write the one another program.
सर मला ते आयडेंटिफायर एरर दिला होता काल.
Identifier error. So you can share the error.
ओके सर.
Share the error and we will try to resolve it. No problem. Okay. So if you are facing any difficulties, then you need to share that problem with us. We will try to solve it. Okay. So I will request to all of you, please download the latest JDK version from the Oracle website, then install it, set the path and execute this program. Okay. ज्यांनी ज्यांनी काल केलं नव्हतं त्यांनी आता करा, म्हणजेच आपल्याला उद्यापासून व्यवस्थित प्रोग्राम करता येईल. आणि तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे की जे प्रोग्राम आहे तुमचे, म्हणजे मी तुम्हाला काय करणार, टास्क देणार आणि तो टास्क तुम्हाला सकाळी 8 ते 9 या ड्युरेशन मध्ये करायचा आहे. काय
कशाहून डाउनलोड करायचं?
oracle.com वर. काल मी स्टेप सांगितल्या होत्या, तरी परत एकदा सांगतो. Okay, so here you go to the open your browser. On address bar, you need to write to the oracle.com. Okay. By default Oracle homepage will be appear. Okay. Then you need to click on the products. Then on the products, you can see there are softwares are present. Okay. So in software, you need to click on the Java. Okay. So under the Java, you can see there are so many informations are present. So you can download Java now. There is option here also. So here you can see these are the different type of versions are available. So you need to download the latest version. Okay, here there is another option, download Java. So just click on the download Java. Okay, and here you will see the JDK, Oracle JDK. Okay, so JDK is nothing but the Java Development Kit. Okay, so here just click on the JDK download, and then check the which operating system you have, and according to your operating system, the select appropriate version of your JDK. Okay, so here for Linux operating system, for Mac operating system, and for Windows operating system. So you need to select the specific version, okay, of particular operating system. And those students are using the old version of Windows operating system like Windows 7. Okay, so at that time there may be a chances of that they are using either 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. Okay, so if you are using the 32-bit operating system, so at that time the 64-bit does not work. Okay, so you need to download its old version. Okay, so here you can go to the back again, and here you can see there are older versions are available like Java 2 SE 8 version, 7 version. Okay, so likewise you can download the according to the your requirement. Okay, so if I'm clicking on the Java 2 SE 8 version, so here you will see, so for 32-bit operating system, Windows x86. Okay, so this version you should be select to execute your Java application. Okay, so Windows x86, then here click on the download. Okay, JDK Windows i586. .exe, and they automatically the downloading will start, and then follow the steps. Okay. सर्वेशने error टाकलेला आहे. Class new. Okay. So here there is new is the keyword which is present in Java. Okay. So you does not create the any identifier name like your keyword. Okay. So there are certain reserved keywords are present in Java. Okay. So I will share that keywords to you in the upcoming lectures. Okay. So use the change the class name only. Okay. Class now change kara Sarvesh. So instead of new,
Okay.
you write the another name, and you will be the error will be resolved. You try it. Again, बाकीच्यांनी केलंय का ट्राय करा, डाउनलोड करा आणि एक्झिक्यूट करा आणि मला स्नॅपशॉट टाकायचे. म्हणजे काय, आज तुमचं हे वर्किंग प्रॉपरली झालं की उद्यापासून मला तुम्हाला प्रॉपरली टास्क देता येईल आणि ते प्रॉपरली तुम्ही एक्झिक्यूट करू शकता. ठीक आहे. आपल्याकडे अर्धा तास वेळ आहे, तर अर्ध्या तासामध्ये तुम्हाला जास्तीत जास्त 5 मिनिटं ते 10 मिनिटं डाउनलोडिंगला लागतात आणि 5 मिनिटं हॅलो वर्डचा प्रोग्राम लिहायला लागतात. ठीक आहे. त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला काय एरर येते ते आपण एरर सॉल्व्ह करूयात आणि नंतर पुढे जाऊया. ओके. जर कुणाला काही अडचण येत असेल तर त्यांनी सांगा प्लीज.
सर वेलकम डॉट क्लास जो थी सर अपनी,
हाँ वेलकम डॉट,
की फाइल वहां पे आ गई थी सर, वेलकम डॉट txt जो भी.
ओके. नहीं
तो
वाइस
सर
आप क्या
कैसा
करना है, most of the students are facing same problem. Okay. So first you have opened the notepad. Okay. So whenever you are writing the your code into the notepad, I will just open it here. Okay, so this is your program, and I have written one hello world program. As hello world. Okay, so this is my program, and I need to save this program. Okay, so the file name should be hello world. Okay, so I will save it. The word, then I will just simply write the Java. Okay, so by default it will be stored as a type .txt. Okay, so by default the extension of your file will be as a txt. Okay, as a already the file I. So you need to select the all files here. You need to select all file here, then it will be stored in a proper manner. Okay, hello world 1. Otherwise it will be stored as a extension .java. Similar way, otherwise if you don't want to select as a save as type, then you need to write the file name into the double quotation. Double quotation मध्ये लिहायचं आहे अशा प्रकारे. ठीक आहे. मग ते बाय डिफॉल्ट ती फाईलचं नाव जो तुम्ही एक्सटेन्शन देत आहे त्याच्यानुसार सेव्ह होतं. ओके. सो हिअर यू कॅन सी hello.java 2, hello2.java. Okay, clear?
यस सर.
आणखीन अभिषेक ट्राय केलंय का? अभिषेक कानडे, are you there? आदेश,
सर
अजिनाथ
झाला, एरर सॉल्व्ह झाला.
झाला. वा वा, गुड, excellent, very nice. Okay, so in this manner you need to execute your program. Okay, so now what Service has done, Service has created one folder on the D drive. Then folder name is Java. Okay, and he has stored the file name as an extension .java and the file name is welcome. Okay, so welcome.java. So for compilation of your program, you need to write this statement javac welcome.java. Okay, and here for execution purpose, Java space the main class name. Okay, so Java space welcome. So this message will be printed on the screen. Okay, that is the output of your program. Very good. आणखी बाकीच्यांचं Bharti, have you completed the task?
Yes, sir, I have completed, but I have completed online execution of Java because this installation is not successfully done.
Okay, so you need to share your screen. Okay, so we will try to resolve that problem.
Okay, sir, but I don't know how to share the screen in mobile. I have attended the class in mobile.
Okay, okay, no problem. So do you have laptop with you now?
Yes, sir, I have laptop.
So you go to the oracle.com.
Okay.
Okay, so you need to go to the oracle.com, then select the product and then download the Java. And at the time of installation, share your screen. Okay. ते जोपर्यंत डाउनलोड करतील आणि डाउनलोडिंगला येतील तोपर्यंत ते नंतर आपल्याला सांगतील. तोपर्यंत
Okay.
बाकीच्यांचा काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे? चेतना, Chetna,
Yes, sir.
have you completed the task?
No, sir. I'll do it and I'll let you know, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
try to do today itself so that from tomorrow we will do the better programs. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Dhanashri, Dhanashri, Dhanashri Jadhav, Dhanashri Jadhav आहे का? Are you there? Dhanashri Pawar. Dhanashri Pawar. Mansi Maure.
Sir,
Man-
I'm installing it. I will let you know, sir.
Okay, very good. Mohsin Khan, you are working on, right? Mohsin?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I will do it.
Okay. Noman,
Yes, sir.
have you completed, executed the program?
Not yet, sir. But today I will
Okay.
complete it.
No, you tried, means now. तुम्ही आता ट्राय करा, नंतर कधी करणार? नंतर वेळ नसतो तुम्हाला.
हेलो सर.
यस प्रसाद.
सर मेरा ओल्ड वर्जन है विंडोज 7, तो उसके लिए कौन सा बेहतर रहेगा? 64 बिट.
नहीं, आपको क्या करना है, उसकी प्रॉपर्टी में माय कंप्यूटर को राइट क्लिक करो, प्रॉपर्टी में जाओ और उसका कौन सा बिट है, 32 बिट है ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम या 64 बिट है, वो चेक करो. अगर
Okay, sir.
64 बिट है तो आपका ये लेटेस्ट वाला वर्जन भी चल जाएगा. ठीक है. अगर 32 बिट है तो आपको ओल्डर वर्जन सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा जावा का. एक तो जावा 8 वर्जन, जेडीके 8 वर्जन और 7 वर्जन.
ओके सर.
सर्वेश, you have completed. Saurabh, Saurabh Bode. Saurabh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. प्रोग्राम केलाय का?
No, sir. Sir, because I do not attend lecture, sir. Yesterday
What?
and
आज केलंय का? आज लेक्चर केलं
नाही सर,
व्यवस्थित?
माझ्याकडे सध्या फोन आहे सर, ते डाउनलोड केले मी Oracle. ते
Okay.
वर्क नाही करत.
ठीक आहे. आता काही विद्यार्थ्यांचा प्रॉब्लेम मी समजू शकतो. काही विद्यार्थ्यांकडे सध्या कारण त्यांचे भाऊ वगैरे पण क्लास करत असतात, तर कोणी लॅपटॉप वापरतं, कोणी डेस्कटॉप वापरतं, कोणी मोबाईल फोन वापरतं. ठीक आहे. तर ते त्यांच्या कन्व्हिनियन्स नुसार करत असतात. तर ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांकडे सध्या ते हे वापरतायत ना, काय म्हणतो ते मोबाईल फोन वापरतायत, तर त्यांच्यासाठी त्यांनी काय करायचं आहे, ऑनलाईन कंपायलर आहे जावाचे, तिथे तुम्ही प्रोग्राम एक्झिक्यूट करू शकता. ठीक आहे. तर यू जस्ट सर्च ऑन द गुगल ऑनलाईन जावा compiler. Okay, so you will get these so many list link. Okay, so you click on any one of these link. Okay, so I will click on the first link. आता ज्यांच्याकडे मोबाईल आहे आणि ज्यांना मोबाईलवरच करायची इच्छा आहे त्यांच्यासाठी हे आहे. ठीक आहे. तर इकडे बघा, बाय डिफॉल्ट क्लासचं नाव माय क्लास आहे इथे, आणि त्यांनी प्रोग्राम पण लिहिलेला आहे. आणि इथे तुम्हाला एक्झिक्यूट करायचं असेल, इथे एक्झिक्यूट कमांड आहे बघा, एक्झिक्यूट. ठीक आहे. एक्झिक्यूट केलं की इथे त्याचा आउटपुट दिसते. ठीक आहे. तर इथे काय करायचं, तुम्हाला क्लासचं नाव मी म्हटलं जसं की वेलकम. ओके, पब्लिक स्टॅटिक वाईड मेन हा तुमचा मेन मेथड. ओके, सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट println. आता मोबाईल मध्ये टाईप करायला पण वेळ लागतो खूप. ठीक आहे, तर ते मी समजू शकतो, बट यू ट्राय युअर सेल्फ. ओके, सो वेलकम टू जावा प्रोग्रामिंग. आता यामध्ये प्रॉब्लेम काय आहे की काही जे ऑनलाईन कंपायलर आहेत त्यांचं क्लासचं नाव ते ऍज इट इज ठेवतात, बाकीचं तुम्ही मॉडिफिकेशन करू शकता. ठीक आहे. तर तसा जर कंपायलर तुम्ही सिलेक्ट केला तर त्यावेळेस तो क्लासचं नाव तुम्हाला चेंज करू देणार नाही, तो प्रोग्राम एक्झिक्यूट होत नाही. तर ते तुम्हाला तेवढं बघून घ्यावं लागेल. जर क्लासचं नाव चेंज जर झालं तर ते जसं अगोदर होतं तसंच तुम्हाला ते करावं लागेल. ठीक आहे. तर इथे एक्झिक्यूट करा.
ओके सर.
Okay, so here you will get the welcome to Java program. So here class name is allowed. The different class name is allowed. मी जर याला इथे hello world जर लिहिलं, hello world, आणि मी परत काय करतो, इथे मेसेज देतो. मेसेज दिला. ठीक आहे. इथे एक्झिक्यूटवर क्लिक केलंय, इथे मेसेज आला. ठीक आहे. आणि इथे आणखीन एक फॅसिलिटी आहे की जेडीकेचा कोणत्या व्हर्जन नुसार तुम्हाला एक्झिक्यूट करायचं. तर इथे जेडीकेचे 2-3 व्हर्जन दिलेले आहेत, 8, 9, 10, 11. ठीक आहे. तर त्यापैकी तुम्ही कोणतं व्हर्जन चूज करू शकता. आता कधी काय होतं की जेडीकेचं ज्यावेळेस व्हर्जन तयार होतं, तर कधी काही ज्या अनवॉन्टेड गोष्टी असतात त्या काढून टाकल्या जातात आणि नवीन गोष्टी ऍड केल्या जातात त्याच्या जागी. तर ज्या अनवॉन्टेड गोष्टी त्याला म्हणतात डेप्रिकेशन. सो इट विल बी डेप्रिकेट द पर्टिक्युलर क्लास और एनी पर्टिक्युलर मेथड फ्रॉम दॅट पर्टिक्युलर व्हर्जन. ठीक आहे. तर ते डेप्रिकेशन असतं, तर त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला स्पेसिफिक व्हर्जनच चूज करावं लागतं की ज्या व्हर्जन मध्ये तो पर्टिक्युलर क्लास किंवा मेथड आहे. ठीक आहे. तर इथे बाय डिफॉल्ट बेसिक लेवलला तर तुम्हाला एवढा काही प्रॉब्लेम येणार नाही. ठीक आहे. सो आय विल शेअर दिस लिंक टू यू. ज्यांच्याकडे मोबाईल मध्ये एक्झिक्यूट करायचं आहे त्यांना मी चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये टाकतो. Okay, so this is the link. So on this link you can execute your Java program, okay, through your mobile phone. Very good. सुदर्शनने छान प्रोग्राम लिहिलाय. सुदर्शनने पण काय केलेलं आहे की sample_hello world डायरेक्ट एक्झिक्यूट केलं, कंपाइलचं स्टेटमेंट दाखवलं इथे. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे त्याने अगोदर काल केलेला असेल ना, आज एक्झिक्यूट करा.
कंपाईल
ठीक आहे?
केलेला होता सर तो ऑलरेडी.
ओके ओके, नो इश्यू. तर आता ज्यावेळेस जावाचा प्रोग्राम तुम्ही अगोदर जर कंपाईल केलेला असेल ना, तर तुम्ही किती वेळेस एक्झिक्यूट करू शकता. आणि ही जी डॉट क्लास फाईल जनरेट झालेली, तर ती डॉट क्लास फाईल तुम्ही एका लोकेशनवरून दुसऱ्या लोकेशनवर कॉपी जरी केली, म्हणजे एका मशीनवरून दुसऱ्या मशीनवर कॉपी केली आणि नंतर जरी एक्झिक्यूट करायचा प्रयत्न केला तरी तुम्ही करू शकता. ठीक आहे, देर इज नो इश्यू. बाकी ज्यांचं झालंय का, ज्यांचं झालंय ना, त्यांनी काय करा, इथे चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये तुमचं हे टाका, आउटपुट. जसं सुदर्शनने टाकलंय, सर्वेशने टाकलंय ना, त्या पद्धतीने. ज्यांनी मोबाईलवर केलंय त्या मोबाईलवर स्क्रीनशॉट घ्यायचा आणि टाकायचा. ठीक आहे, तर आपण काय करूयात, आजच्या दिवस वाटल्यास थांबूयात. तर तुमच्यासाठी जो टास्क आहे की काय करायचं तुम्हाला, 8 ते 9 दररोज सकाळी 8 ते 9 मध्ये मी तुम्हाला जो काही टास्क दिलेला आहे तो कम्प्लीट करायचा आहे. आणि 9 वाजता जेव्हा तुम्ही जॉईन व्हाल त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला तो स्क्रीनशॉट मध्ये टाकायचा, तुम्हाला तुमच्या या चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये ते टाकायचं. ठीक आहे, जर इन केस तुम्हाला काही डिफिकल्टी क्वेरी असेल तर आपण त्या सॉल्व्ह करू शकतो. ठीक आहे, इज इट क्लिअर?
Yes, sir.
So Bharti, have you installed the JDK version?
Sir, process चालू आहे त्याची.
Okay, okay. So today we will just stop here.
Okay, sir.
And I will request to all of you, please download the JDK version according to your operating system. Install it, set the path in proper way. Okay. So I have recorded the lecture, yesterday's lecture. So you can download the yesterday's lecture. Those student has already missed the lecture, they can download the previous lecture from this chat box. Okay, so there is a download link, you can download them, watch it again and try to set the proper path according to the given instruction and execute your Java application. Okay, yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So thank you very much. Have a nice day and take care.